Alright guys, welcome back to another one. Today we're going to be removing the trim off my truck, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Now when it comes to this back plate, we can just rip it off. All we gotta do is this. My tailgate sounds like it's not very happy. That paint looks good on the top. Stuff does not want to come off. I pulled some paint off. That ain't no good. There it is. There's one part moved. Now you get all this crap off of it too. Which we'll be able to just take like WD-40 and a rag to this to get it all off. I have to take this dollar sticker off. I'm not gonna do that. Some of this dealership sticker from whenever the truck was brand new. Yeah, maybe that tree must be all old and disgusting stuff. But tailgate panel's off. We just gotta clean up all this sticky crap that held it on. Something tells me it's not gonna be fun. Let me get some stuff together for doing this. I'll get right back with y'all. Okay. With the process I went with, I'm just gonna take a razor blade and scrape it off. I'll cut it off basically. But like douse it with WD-40 first. So it'll slide across the paint, but on the actual trim it'll cut it. Or sticky stuff. But just take some WD-40 and spray it on the trim. Let it sit for a second, soak it in, it's softer. And just taking this rusty razor blade and cut it off. Now true professionals are like cringing right now, but when you're poor and you have limited resources, you make do with what you got. It's kind of what I do. But when you're poor, you make do with what you can. But you know, one thing I learned whenever I was first or when I first really got into cars, when I was watching all these YouTubers and stuff, all these nice cars, is that it's not about money with these things. It's about passion, and you know, just do what you want to do. You ain't gotta do what other people do or do things to fit in. You just do what you want and do things the way you want, you know. And yeah, it's hard to explain. But yeah, you don't really gotta rely on what other people want. You just do what you want to your vehicle because that's what makes the most sense. Yeah, all these people that talk about the way you customize your vehicles and stuff and the way you build them, whatever. But in all reality, I mean, all that matters is the person that owns the vehicle and if they're happy with it or not. Mine, yeah, I ain't happy with it, but I ain't mad at all. I like the way my truck sits. Not really, but I don't hate it, you know. I've got things I want to do to my truck, but money's just a limitation, you know. I can go get a job, but I'm 15, wait till I'm 16, so there's more job openings and all that, so. And honestly, off topic, but I'm sitting here doing this with a razor blade. I can very easily F my paint up, but I don't care. Like, it's a 30-year-old truck. It's not gonna be perfect. I could put a big gouge in it with this razor blade, and I wouldn't care. Like, stuff happens. It's just a truck. It's just a truck. It can always be replaced. So, and personally, don't really care what happens to it, but I do it sometimes. Yeah. Just completely stopped spraying. Just keep scraping what I got. Like that. You know, I've been wanting to do a trim delete on this thing for a good minute. Just haven't gotten around to it. It's been pretty cold out. That's also why I haven't done that mud video with that Jeep yet. It's just been real cold out. That will probably be a good minute before that happens. But right now, we got a trim delete going on. I wish all of it was coming off like this. See if I can just keep that going down the whole tape. Nope. So stop because it got all thick and it was dry. There's probably a lot of people cringing about when I'm down here, but oh yeah, stuff's working. But honestly, I don't care. All I want is all this goo off my truck and that panel. Well, tailgate wise. Obviously, I want all my trim off, but. Sir, can I help you? Completely mess. Completely. I don't know where it went. I don't really care. As long as I don't come back and sting me. Go with some brake clean. I didn't put this on paint. Oh! Yeah, it is. That's horrible to breathe in. Get a mask on now. This is awful. Oh God, this mask did not make it much better. Yeah, this mask did not make it any better. Paint plus clear coat, gone. Now the whole rear end of my truck is doused in brake fluid. It's literally dripping off of it. See if we can't get some more of this off. Yeah, brake fluid ain't soaking into this stuff like it was. Like the WD-40 was. The actual goo itself, it takes it pretty well. Like all this, it's really soft. I could probably cut it right here and just go. Yeah, see? Pretty soft over here, but you see how it's peeling off? That's paint. Brake fluid. cares? Just a truck. Maybe not. Well, hello. I forgot my dog was outside. You know what? I think for now, I might just focus on getting the trim off the side, and then get rid of all the goo later on my own time. Because this is becoming a real tedious process, and yeah, it's gonna be forever if I just record it. So let's take the side trim off instead, and then I'll get rid of the goo that holds it all on my own time. Now, no, I haven't said this yet, but I do apologize if there is much wind noise. I realized today that I needed to film pretty bad, so I'm doing this today, but yeah, the wind is quite picked up. If I do the camera right here, go watch that. Let me move it right here and drop it down. Like I completely missed the first thing I'm taking off. But no, trim delete was something I always planned on doing with this truck. Ever since I got it, I just never got around to it. But here we are. Need to film a video, and I finally just committed to doing it. Oh, sorry. Oh, about fell over. Look, see, look at this piece. It's bending like it's about to come off, just naturally. That it's not no good. Let's go ahead and get this little big piece off. Now, this video is not that funny. I already know it. Oh, okay, that's not good. No, I just did it again. Oh. Yeah, I got into it pretty good right there. It'll be alright. Clean. Rebuilt. Oh wow, that's some strong chemicals right there. Tell you what. Oh, that is a lovely sound. Oh yeah. Now, right here, I know the paint's fine with me doing this because, like I just said that, like it's a. That was some real personification right there. Look at this gold. I don't know. I don't pay attention in English. I just speak it. But I know the paint's fine. Because, I mean, I'm literally taking just the badge off. All the sticky stuff is still there, so I'm gouging into this every time I'm trying to pry up. Same with the magnum spot right here. See if I can get this one off the hole. Coming right off. Boom. Another V8 Magnum badge. I wanted to keep the Magnum badges. All the other trim and the Ram 1500 badge I didn't care for. But obviously I didn't care for the Ram. Broke it. But yeah, it's whatever. I didn't really care. Now, some future plans I have for this truck is sometime soon the leveling kit will be going on, a different set of wheels and tires. Actually today I'm selling some stuff and I'm ordering a CB antenna and a Stunna Empire sticker because I'm going to join Stunna Empire Truck Club. So that'll be fun. But I just kind of I wanted to wait to join the truck club at the same time though. So my truck's basically stopped. I mean, it's got chicken lights and a go light. Visually, that's the only things you can tell. And that's literally about it. So I was waiting to put some wheels, tires, and leveling kit and all that kind of stuff on there before I joined. Which, at this point, I'm just kind of like, screw it, you know? Which, I do want to squat this, but not squat it. Like, yeah, I want to squat it, but not like lay the back tire in the fender well or lay the fender well on the tire. Like, the back's gonna stay the way it is. And I'm probably gonna put like a 4 or 5 inch lip in the front. A 3-inch levels it, so you know. If that tells you anything. But here we are, final piece of trim. Try not to get brake clean much. I had to get it all up in my face. Alright, here we are. Final piece of trim coming off. Well, never mind, Laramie badges. Oh, there we go. You can tell I get in the paint pretty bad. Right there at the end, I don't know if you can still hear me, but I said they had to do these Laramie badges still. So, hope I get them off in one piece. As soon as I crack it. As soon as I start, I crack it. Yeah, I got it. But camera ain't gonna pick it up. I cracked it right there. It ain't bad. I can hear my buddy going down South Main in his car. That's funny. I think that's him. We do make jokes that his car sounds like a lawnmower all the time. Get the other Laramie badge. Thank God. I did bend it though. But another fun part, I'm gonna do it all off camera though. It's getting all this rubber crap off from where the badge was. But this will be the end of this video. Hold on. Alright, this will be the end of this video. I will catch y'all on another one.